Iraqi Dinar Today latest news begins with an important update that has been shaping discussion across Iraq's financial landscape in 2025. The Central Bank of Iraq has formally confirmed that the older series of Iraqi Dinar banknotes will be replaced by newly issued, officially recognized currency. This confirmation follows years of public speculation, uncertainty, and fragmented information surrounding the status of older dinar notes. The announcement does not introduce sudden changes, but instead clarifies an ongoing monetary transition that has been developing within Iraq's regulated banking framework, providing clearer institutional direction for banks, currency handlers, and note holders alike. For a long time, the status of older dinar notes created confusion among holders, financial institutions, and observers. Questions repeatedly surfaced about whether these notes would remain valid, how authenticity would be confirmed, and what formal procedures would govern any transition. With the central bank's confirmation, those questions now have defined answers rooted in official policy. The replacement process is designed to follow structured procedures emphasizing transparency, traceability, and security. This announcement does not alter the value of currency on its own, but rather clarifies how the old notes fit into Iraq's evolving monetary system. The replacement process centers on verification and accountability. Banks have been instructed to follow strict protocols when receiving older dinar notes, ensuring that each note is checked for authenticity. This includes reviewing serial number ranges, physical security features, and consistency with official issuance records. The goal is to protect the integrity of the financial system, while preventing counterfeit or improperly sourced notes from entering circulation. These measures are part of standard central banking practices and reflect Iraq's broader efforts to strengthen confidence in its currency management systems. Documentation plays a central role in this process. Financial institutions are required to collect supporting records that establish lawful ownership and origin of higher volume holdings. This may include purchase receipts, identification documents, and other forms of verification consistent with regulatory standards. Such documentation allows banks to process notes efficiently and ensures compliance with national and international financial regulations. The emphasis on documentation is not new, but the confirmation of replacement has brought renewed attention to its importance within the overall framework. Security considerations remain a core focus throughout the transition. Handling physical currency, particularly in large quantities, involves risks that institutions and individuals must manage carefully. Banks are required to follow internal security protocols for storage, transport, and processing of older dinar notes. These safeguards are designed to protect both the institution and the broader financial system from loss, theft, or fraud. The central bank's guidance reinforces the expectation that all parties involved adhere to established security standards. Timing is another factor shaping how the replacement unfolds. Although the confirmation is official, implementation is not instantaneous. Banks process currency according to staffing capacity, verification workload, and coordination with central authorities. As a result, processing timelines may vary between institutions. This staged approach allows banks to maintain accuracy and compliance while managing operational demands. The emphasis remains on orderly execution rather than speed, reflecting the complexity involved in large-scale currency transitions. Institutional capacity also differs across the banking sector. Some banks may have more experience handling high-volume currency verification, while others may require additional review steps. Licensed currency dealers, operating within regulatory boundaries, may also play a role in the broader ecosystem. These variations are part of normal financial operations and highlight the importance of standardized oversight from the central bank to ensure consistency across all participating entities. Public discussion around the replacement has been influenced heavily by informal information sharing. Community conversations, particularly among Dinar holders, have circulated observations about bank procedures and verification experiences. While these exchanges can provide general awareness, the central bank continues to emphasize reliance on official guidance and licensed institutions. Accurate information remains essential, as misinformation can create confusion or unrealistic expectations during a regulated financial process. The central bank's announcement also underscores the importance of maintaining a calm and informed public response. Monetary transitions can generate anxiety, especially after prolonged uncertainty. Officials have reiterated that the replacement is an administrative and regulatory step rather than a sudden monetary event. By framing the process within established banking norms, the central bank aims to reduce speculation and reinforce confidence in institutional management of the currency system. At its core, the replacement involves collecting older notes, verifying them against official records, and issuing new currency in accordance with established procedures. Each stage is designed to ensure fairness, legality, and security. Verification remains the foundation of the process, protecting against errors and maintaining trust in the financial infrastructure. This approach aligns with international standards followed by central banks during currency updates or redesigns. High denomination or large volume holdings are subject to additional scrutiny, consistent with global anti-fraud and anti-money laundering practices. These measures are not punitive but preventative, ensuring that the financial system remains resilient and transparent. Proper record-keeping and clear audit trails allow institutions to complete transactions accurately while meeting regulatory obligations. The broader market impact of the confirmation is rooted in clarity rather than immediate change. By formally outlining the status of older dinar notes, the central bank has reduced speculation and established a clear procedural path. Banks now operate with unified guidance, and holders have a defined framework for understanding how the transition is managed. This clarity contributes to overall stability within Iraq's monetary environment. Security remains an ongoing priority throughout the transition. Both physical safeguards and administrative controls are emphasized to protect currency integrity. Institutions are expected to follow established compliance protocols, while digital record systems support accurate tracking and verification. These combined measures help ensure that the replacement process supports rather than disrupts the functioning of the financial system. As the process continues, the central bank has indicated that patience and adherence to official procedures are essential. Large-scale currency management requires coordination, verification, and careful execution. Delays may occur, but they reflect diligence rather than disorder. The structured approach reinforces the legitimacy of the transition and supports long-term confidence in Iraq's monetary institutions. In summary, the confirmed replacement of older Iraqi dinar notes marks a significant administrative milestone. It brings long-awaited clarity to an issue that has generated years of uncertainty, while reinforcing the principles of verification, security, and transparency. With banks aligned under central bank guidance and procedures clearly defined, the transition reflects a methodical step forward in Iraq's ongoing financial development.